Today I'll show you how to get the best live sports as well as live TV apps to your Amazon Fire Stick in 2025. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is getting the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get downloader free of charge. Just go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it, and there is this orange app, which you need to get to your device. But then after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now to actually set up downloader, we'll need to go to the settings. So let's do that together. You click that button with a gear icon, scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging. After that, you go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those ones which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So let's just go back to a list of apps on your Fire Stick, open it, and here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost only a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. And all you need to do in a VPN app is just connect to any location. Let's say I will connect to Hungary right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to a list of apps on your Fire Stick. Let's open it up, and it's time to use the downloader now. So let's open it, and here in the search bar, we'll need to enter different codes to download the apps to your Fire Stick device. And the first code is gonna be 314209. So once again, 314209. That's the first code you have to enter. Then you click Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click Install and wait a bit. until the app gets fully installed. And after that, don't click open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your device. And it's really important, because by default, your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then let's go back to a list of apps on your Firestick, open it up, wait a moment until it loads, and here at the bottom you will find the first but not the last app which we got for you today. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote now. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Just click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. And then let's finally open this application. And now from here you get access to loads of live TV and live sports channels from all over the world, including UK, US, Canada, Australia, Europe, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen, because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact content that is available inside. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And just like that, we got the first app for you today. But now let's go back to the loader and I'll show you how to get even more amazing applications. So we just get back to the loader, make sure to erase the previous code, and now another code which we'll use is gonna be 23535996. So once again, 23535996. That's the second code. Then we click go, and now soon we'll start downloading the second applications to your device. And that's right, the download of the second app has successfully started. Then you click install, and now it will be also fully installed to your device. As always, click done and delete unnecessary files from your Firestick device. After that, we'll go and take a look at a list of applications on your Fire TV stick, and here is the second application, which we successfully got to your device. Let's also put it to the front and then open it up. And now this is another amazing application for you to watch live TV as well as live sports content. I just had to blur out my screen for the same reason as previously, but of course, in your case, it will not be blurred. And it was the second application today already, and we're not done yet, as there are still more applications for you to download. So we head back to downloader, and it's time to use another code. This time the code will be 2155390. Once again, 2155390. That's the code for the third application. And we also will start the download of this app successfully now. And there we go. That download also started, took only a couple of seconds, and now we are installing this application to your device. Make sure to delete the unnecessary files and return back to the list of applications on your Firestick. So I am opening it right now, and that's the third application. I will put it to the front and open up the application. And now that's the third and the last app today, which we got for you. So enjoy all those amazing applications, and of course, see you next time. Bye bye.